Winter doesn't mean your garden has to hibernate. Imagine your outdoor space filled with colorful blooms, even when frost paints the ground white. In this video, we'll explore 25 winter flowers that thrive in cold weather, adding vibrance to the grayest of seasons. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Iceland Poppies. Iceland poppies love the chill. These bright, colorful blooms thrive in frigid temperatures, offering a pop of color from February to early March in mild climates. Snapdragons. Snapdragons hold their stunning hues through fall and into winter. Plant them in partial or full shade to protect them from the scorching sun. Cornflowers. Considered weeds in the wild, cornflowers add a stunning blue hue when grown in your winter garden. Plant the seeds 6 to 8 weeks before the cold sets in. Grape hyacinth. These petite flowers bring a grape-like fragrance and appear from late winter to early spring. They're perfect for a sweet, colorful touch to your garden. Winter heath. A reliable bloomer, winter heath brings long-lasting flowers in shades of pink and white, creating a striking evergreen ground cover. Scilla. These tiny but gorgeous flowers make an eye-catching addition to rock gardens. Their vibrant blue blooms stand out in winter landscapes. Starflower. Known for their fragrance, starflowers bloom in late winter or early spring. Plant them along walkways to enjoy their delightful aroma. Algerian iris. In warm climates, Algerian irises bloom as early as December, combining beauty with a lovely scent. Pansies and violas. These versatile blooms survive mild winters and often reappear in spring. Cool wave pansies can thrive most of the winter in moderate climates. Snowdrops. True to their name, snowdrops bloom even when snow covers the ground. Plant them in the fall for an early spring display. Daffodils. Known for their cheery color, daffodils bloom as early as February in some regions. Their bulbs are rodent-resistant, making them a safe choice. Hellebores. Despite their delicate appearance, hellebores are hardy perennials that bloom in mid to late winter, adding timeless beauty to your garden. Winterberry. Though not a flower, winterberry's vibrant berries add a splash of red to any winter garden. Remember to plant both male and female plants for pollination. Lily of the valley shrub. This striking evergreen shrub blooms mid to late winter with hundreds of bell-shaped flowers dangling from its stems. Winter aconite. Bright buttercup yellow blooms bring joy to winter gardens and attract early pollinators while being resistant to deer and rabbits. Witch hazel. With its whimsical blooms, witch hazel flowers in late winter before its leaves appear, adding a fun and unique element to the landscape. Primrose. One of the earliest perennials to bloom, primrose comes in hundreds of varieties. Be sure to pick one suited for your USDA hardiness zone. Camellia. Camellias can bloom from late fall to mid-spring, depending on the variety. Their massive blooms make them a winter garden favorite. Glory of the snow. True to its name, this flower blooms in late winter, even when snow lingers. Plant them in fall for the best display. Mahonia. Mahonia's leathery leaves and vibrant yellow blooms appear in late fall to early winter, providing a dramatic touch to your garden. Ornamental kale. Known for its colorful foliage, ornamental kale thrives well into winter and adds texture and vibrance to the garden. Winter jasmine. This vine blooms in late winter, bringing cheerful yellow flowers to brighten your cold days. Cyclamen. Often used as ground cover in mild climates, cyclamen flowers prefer winter sun and summer shade, making them perfect for deciduous trees. Crocus. These petite flowers are early bloomers, adding purple and white shades to your winter garden. Plant them alongside daffodils for added protection. Daphne. Ending the list with a classic, Daphne flowers bring a fruity fragrance to late winter gardens, signaling that spring is just around the corner. Winter is no excuse for a dull garden. With these 25 flowers, your outdoor space can remain lively and vibrant, even in the coldest months. Which of these will you add to your garden? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!